Hello kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all of you? Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. I draw emojis for you. Draw the 8 circles. 4 circles in one row and 4 another row. First of all, I draw upset emoji. Draw the eyes. Don't forget to the eyes brow. Wow, that's awesome. Then I draw a smiling you. This is my favorite emoji. Draw the eyes of the emoji. I like this emoji so much. Now I draw an angry emoji. Draw this emoji. When you angry, use this emoji while texting. Now I draw a naughty emoji. Draw the one eye and other eye is blink. Also draw the tongue. That's so naughty emoji. This is the most beautiful emoji. Do you like this emoji? Now I a lovely emoji. Don't draw the eyes. Draw the 2 hearts instead of eyes. Draw the mouth that is open and visible the tongue. Wow, that's so cute and lovely emoji. I like this so much. Do you like this dot? Then I draw a surprised emoji. Wow, that's so surprised. Then I draw a sleepy emoji that's always sleeping. Wow, that's so cute. Now the last emoji is crying. This emoji is always crying. Wow, that's crying emoji is awesome. Looks, my emojis are ready. All of the emojis look so beautiful and awesome. Don't forget to outline the emojis. Use the black marker for outline. Doing the outline in a hurry way. Outline makes the so beautiful. Outline looks so beautiful and awesome. Don't forget to color in the emojis. Use the yellow color in the emojis. People use the emojis while texting. I also use the emojis while the texting. Do you use the emojis? I use the emoji according to the situation. When I am happy, I use the smiling emoji. When I am surprised, I use the surprised emoji. When I want to sleepy, I use the sleepy emoji. When I am angry, I use the angry emoji. I always use the emoji according to the situation. Use the pink color in the lovely emoji. It makes different in the drawing. My drawing is almost ready. Tell me which emoji you like the most. I like happy emoji. This is my favorite emoji. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.